Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make some simple cards, but simple and very beautiful cards. And we're going to use the brand new Forever Gold Laser Cut Specialty Designer Paper along with the Forever Greenery Designer Paper and then the Happiest Birthday Stamp Set. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the Whisper White as our base, and this is the thick Whisper White, and all three cards are cut at 5.5 by 8.5 and then scored at 4 1/4. And then I have 3 pieces of the Forever Greenery Designer Paper, and they're double-sided, and these are all cut at 2 inches by 5 1/4. Okay, the Forever Gold Laser Designer Paper. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so for the Forever Gold Laser Cut Specialty Paper, you're going to get 6 sheets, and you're going to get 3 of each of the designs. So you're going to get 3 of these, and then 3 of these. Okay, so I went ahead and already started separating them, and I'm putting them in my DVD case. Let me show you that. So this is what that looks like. So I have them separated by the tissue paper, because that's how it comes. So I separated each of the sheets, and I'm putting them all in this DVD case so they're easily to get to, and they don't get all gnarlied up together, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and separate these, and we're going to make 3 of the cards using 3 of these pieces right here. So now these layers right here, you can just put onto a front of a card. Let me show you that. So here's a piece of the Whisper White, and you can just put that onto a base of a card, and it's beautiful just like that with the greeting or some more accessories. So, but I'm going to go ahead and peel these apart, and I'm going to put them in my DVD case. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm not using these layers today. I'm going to put those in there. And then I'm going to use this one right here, and also this one. So they're all die cut, easy to pop out. You will want to be careful with the leaves right here. These 2, this one, and this one. Just because they're really detailed in the leaves. And you don't want to rip it. Isn't that beautiful? Seriously, every layer in this designer paper is beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and do some stamping. Okay, so I'm going to be stamping on some Whisper White, and I got the brand new Just Jade Classic ink pad, and I love it. And we're using the Happiest of Birthdays, and we're using this stamp down here. It says, "It's your day, enjoy it." So it could be for any occasion. Birthday, congratulations for an achievement or a milestone, anything you want. The greeting here, I'm going to stamp it 3 times so I can cut it out 3 times. And I'm using the Just Jade because of the Forever Greenery Designer Paper. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab our Big Shot. So we're going to use the Hippo and Friends die. Oh my gosh, this die collection has so many of these shapes. Look at them. So many. And it's so awesome. This comes also in a bundle, and I'll put that number on the screen too. So we're going to use the second to the largest one to cut out the greeting, and I'm going to cut out all 3 of them. So let me go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and move the Big Shot. I'm going to bring in this layer as well because we're going to make in 3 cards today. So we're using these 3 from the Forever Gold Lasers, okay? And then we have our 3 greetings cut out. So now it's just a matter of building our card. So the Whisper White, and we're going to use the new Stampin' Seal. I'm going to add the designer paper. Okay, so then we're going to take our gold layers here, And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them in half. I'm just going to cut this down right here. And this one on this side. Then we're going to take our greeting here, and I'm going to add the seal along the back side. And I'm going to bring this up here to the edge, just like that. And then this one down here. Okay, then we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. Okay, so now this one we're going to turn this way, just like this. So pretty. Then we're going to add some gilded gems. Just randomly add a few across the bottom. And I'm going to grab my take your pick tool. Just going to grab. So pretty. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's go ahead and make the other one. Okay, so we're going to cut this one again. We're going to cut this one in half. And this one we're going to put up on top. Just like this. And then this one's going to go on the bottom. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Once again, we're going to add some seal. Put this on top. And the bottom. So in just a matter of minutes, we've got 3 full-size cards that are so beautiful and very easy to make. Love that. Okay, so we're going to put this one onto here, just like that. Once again, we're going to add some gilded gems. So pretty. Next card. This one again we're going to cut. Actually, we could probably keep it just like that. So now this is fun when you can add your greeting to the center of the layers, and then you can just kind of play with it on how you want it to go. So this time we're just not even going to cut it in half. We're just going to go ahead and pop this up on dimensionals. We're going to layer that right in the center of that gold element there. Put that right in the center. Then add a couple dimensionals to the back side of that. Okay, so we're going to put this one in the center just like that. Isn't that beautiful? Once again, we're going to add some gilded gems. So pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, let me go ahead and bring them all in so you can see them together. So here's these two here. Aren't those beautiful and so simple? I love them. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And then also I have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.